Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then click right Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, at the right top, we have a button Add Device. You need to press this button. If you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. So let's go, and in this window you need to select Bluetooth. Now, open the charging case by press the button on the front side. And then remove your earbuds from the case. If it's your first connection, your earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, but usually you need to enter prank mode manually. To do this, at the back side we have touch areas, so press and hold at both of them until you will see the red LED light, because we need to turn off them. Here we go. And then press and hold at the touch areas again until you will see that the LED lights start flashing white and red. So press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers and these earbuds enter to prank mode, so we should see them at the device list. Click on them. Then click Done. And now it should ask you to pair the left earbud. So click Allow. Did we have it? Yeah, right here I have. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.